안녕하세요, Jane.
안녕하세요, 친구가.
Okay, so how are you today? What about your periodical exam?
Masalta na.
Passing tanan? Okay, very good. Okay, so earlier, okay, so Idojinim give us 1,000 pesos. It is because we have another mission, dance mission. Okay, so Idojinim give us 1,000 pesos for our dance mission fee.
이도지님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
And also, we also have 500 pesos for our drinks. No, so not a drink during our practice. Okay? Okay. Okay, bye-bye, Jane. Fighting. By the way, I already sent you the video. Ha, so manan-out pa din at practicean starting Saturday. Kay napaman ko yung class this kanong weekday. Okay? Okay, so bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Desiree.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요, Queenie. 안녕하세요. Okay, Queenie and Desiree. Isangwanim gave 500 pesos each for you. Okay, please receive. And for Queenie, dua kakamot Queenie. Okay, from Isangwanim.
이상원님 감사합니다.
감사합니다, Isangwanim from Queenie and Desiree. Also, we have here 300 pesos for Desiree. And also for Queenie, 100 peso. Dua kakamot Queenie. Okay. From Kim Wancholnim.
김원철님 안녕하세요.
감사합니다. Ikaw Queenie. Kim Wancholnim. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Okay. So, bye-bye na. Muli na.
Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye. Sige na.
Amang.
Amang si Queenie. Okay na. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yung Hasyu, Chloe, and Mary Me.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so since sa live broadcast, wala mo kakaon o waffle and ice cream, right?
Yes.
Okay, so nagbilin mi para sa inyo ha. And it is from Way Paramnim.
웨이 파라님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, pagkaon na mo. Sit down. Pwede na mo sit down. Na chair sa ubo sa lamisa. How was your school? Na exam?
Yes.
Okay, so fighting lang sa exam ha.
Yes.
Mag-review mo na pa exam tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, study ng karong gabi. Ami?
Yes.
Sige na, bye-bye na. Kay gabi na, pwede na nyo dalhon sa inyo ha. Okay. Annyeonghaseyo, students.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so where are the other students not yet arrived?
Yes.
Napa sa school.
Yes.
So kamo, bago pa mo naabot gikan sa school, right?
Yes.
Yeah, kumusta ang exam?
Tara.
Okay, ra. So since earlier sa live broadcast, wala mo natagaan og waffle as well as ice cream. So karon naamoy ice cream ug waffle nga among gilain. So please, kuhaan ninyo palihog. Okay, so tagduha mo ka ice cream as well as tag 3 ka waffle. Kay sobra man na siya among gilain sa inyo ha. That is from Way Paramnim.
웨이 파라님 감사합니다.
Okay, kaon sa mo dira. Kaon sa mo waffle. Sit down, students. How about ice cream? So later, please tell to the other students katong pa ka ice cream and waffle na ako sad silang tagaan. Okay ra?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Annyeonghaseyo, Lawrence and Ili. Okay, so manamog school? Nag-exam wala? Okay, so okay ra inyong exam? Okay, so since wala mo kakaon pag live og ice cream and waffle, so amo ta mong gibinlan. And it is from Way Paramnim.
Wi paramin kamsamida.
Okay, so kaon na mo dira sa waffle. Saan ni kaon? Kaon waffle. Na i-open na na Ellie. Okay, lami. Okay, so kanon ninyo hurot ha ang waffle o ang ice cream. Okay, bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you.
Walay manok.
Happy birthday to you.
Puros bukog.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Faster! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Alona. How old are you? 10 years old.
10 years old.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Happy na birthday pa. Okay, so today is December 1, right? Oh, sorry. December 2. Kisa na birthday December 1.
Sorry.
Oh, beto katahan po si Desiree. Yesterday, December 1, we don't have man class, no? So, sige, stand up ka ng, saan ni? Desiree, December 1 birthday. Sige.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Faster.
Happy birthday, Desiree. How old are you? 11 years old. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Happy na birthday pa. Asa may mo hikay gapon?
Wala.
Wala kay hikay gapon. You don't have a celebration yesterday, so you only go to the church and say thank you to the Lord for all the blessings and good health, right? And how about you, Alona, since today is your birthday, what's your celebration? Manok chicken. Wow, chicken. Okay, so we wish you all the happiness in life, good health. Then please always stay good girl and keep it up on class. Okay? So fighting yapon, fighting.
Fighting!
Okay, thank you. Happy birthday to the both of you. Kamsahamnida.